With the pace at which technology advances, it's no wonder. As we delve into the topic, we will uncover a host of modern home security gadgets that are worth knowing about. Gadgets that not only keep your space secure but also add a touch of sophistication to your life. Eufy Smart Drop. The Eufy Smart Drop is a game changer for package deliveries, letting you receive your parcels securely, even when you're not home. It features two-way audio and a built-in camera that provides a clear view of your delivery person, enabling you to communicate with them remotely. What's more, you can unlock the box from your smartphone to allow the delivery person to leave your package inside. You can also let them press the open button if there is nothing inside or give them a pin. Security is priority. The Smart Drop features has a tamper-proof lock, motion sensors, and a siren. You can trust it to keep your delivery safe. Setting up and using the Smart Drop is easy. It connects to your Wi-Fi network and is controlled through the Eufy security app. With the app, you can view the live camera feed, unlock the box, and receive real-time alerts when a package is delivered. Additional features include night vision and a powerful 10,000 mAh battery. With package theft on the rise, the Eufy Smart Drop provides a solution, ensuring your parcels are safe and sound, come rain or shine. Ring Always Home. Ring redefines home security with a flying indoor camera ready to patrol your space even when you are miles away. This extraordinary camera features autonomous flight, effortlessly navigating along a set path. It's not just smart, it's brilliant. Equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, it maneuvers around potential obstacles with ease. It doesn't stop there. The camera captures high-definition video, ensuring you can remotely monitor your home through your smartphone. And if any motion triggers its sensors, you receive instant alerts, keeping you in the loop. A unique feature worth mentioning is its ability to respond to your Ring alarm contact sensors or motion detectors. If they are triggered, the Always Home Cam can autonomously fly to investigate. Always Home Cam is flexible, accommodating up to 50 different flight paths, each lasting up to 5 minutes. It operates on a single story of your home at a time. If you needed to patrol multiple stories, separate Always Home Cams are required for each level. Privacy and security are paramount. The camera remains blocked when docked and only records during its flight, along a preset path that you customize. Ring Always Home gives your home a set of watchful eyes no matter where you are. Space Safe 2. This safe security system designed to protect valuables from tampering or any temperature fluctuations. It features a biometric fingerprint scanner, motion sensing accelerometer, temperature monitors, and humidity alerts, ensuring the safety of your valuables. The safe also features two-way audio, allowing for easy remote access. Its 10-inch HD touchscreen display and two LED lights illuminate the safe for a personalized touch. The smartphone app allows for easy access and monitoring. The safe is made of heavy-duty 1mm thick tempered steel, making it resistant to intruders. Its features include lock history, emergency grand one-time password access, USB charge port, alarm that can trigger 911, 3,300 pounds of force resistance, and two built-in cameras. It has a backup battery pack, ensuring the safety of your valuables even during power outages. The Safe Space 2 comes with Wi-Fi and auto updates for the latest security features. AiDot Winees F2 Pro Floodlight Cam. The AiDot Winees F2 Pro Floodlight Cam is a 2K Full HD outdoor security camera that features dual floodlights, night vision, and a built-in siren. It delivers crystal clear images and deters potential threats with its dual floodlights and siren. The camera can be managed remotely via a smartphone app and features a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way communication. It offers a wide 180-degree panorama view, motion detection, alerts, and AI detection for humans, vehicles, and pets. The camera also offers local and cloud storage options for safeguarding valuable footage. The F2 Pro is designed with an IP65 rating, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather conditions. It deters burglars with floodlights and a siren, provides instant alerts when motion is detected, and allows users to view the live camera feed and communicate with visitors remotely. The easy installation and user-friendly experience make it a smart choice for home security. Water Sensor Kit. The D-Link Home Wi-Fi Water Sensor Kit is a smart system designed to detect and prevent water leaks in your home. It consists of a master unit and up to 16 water sensor pods that connect to your Wi-Fi network and send alerts to your smartphone or tablet if any detect water. The pods are compact and wireless, allowing you to place them anywhere in your home where leaks are concerned. When a sensor pod detects water, it sends a signal to the master unit, which then alerts your smartphone or tablet. The system can also be configured to notify multiple people in your household. It is easy to set up and use, compatible with Google Assistant and the free My D-Link app. Each pod is powered with 2 AAA batteries, providing visual and audio alerts. It also features Bluetooth for faster setup. With water damage being a common and costly issue, the D-Link Home Wi-Fi Water Sensor Kit is a reliable solution for homeowners. Igloo Padlock 2. Just imagine being able to unlock a padlock with a mere tap on your smartphone, a secure Bluetooth key, or your very own secret PIN code. It's not just a lock, it's the gateway to a new era of safeguarding your belongings. The Igloo Home Padlock 2 is more than smart. It's rugged and ready for any adventure. Weatherproof, so the rain, snow, and all the elements won't face it. And it's tamper-proof, boasting a robust shackle and security features that would make any intruder think twice. It knows when it's time to lock itself, sparing you the doubt about whether it's secure. After a few misplaced attempts, it goes into a lockdown mode to keep your belongings safe. A clever LED alert system keeps you informed, reminding you to fasten the shackle and notifying you when it's time for a recharge. And recharging is a breeze with a USB-C cable, offering 9 months of unwavering protection in less than an hour of charge. Additionally, you are in control of the alert volume from a discreet hush to a commanding shout. Whether it's guarding your gates, protecting your shed, or watching over your bike, it's your key to absolute peace of mind. Ring Alarm Pro. The Ring Alarm Pro is a fantastic addition to your home's security. Inside the kit, you will find a base station, a siren, a keypad, and a collection of sensors, including door and window sensors, motion sensors, and alarm range extender. The Ring Alarm Pro seamlessly pairs up with other Ring products, like video doorbells and cameras. Keep a close eye on your home with real-time alerts sent directly to your smartphone and receive notifications when someone enters a room, opens a window, or activates the siren. No need to worry about power outages or internet disruptions, as the Ring Alarm Pro comes with a 24-hour backup battery and 24/7 backup internet when you subscribe to Ring Protect Pro. Whether it's intruders or other potential hazards, this system has you protected. Plus, controlling your Ring Alarm Pro security system is a breeze with a user-friendly keypad. In a nutshell, the Ring Alarm Pro is your all-in-one choice for a comprehensive and hassle-free home security system. Lockley Vision Elite. A high-resolution camera with night vision that gives you a clear view of your visitors from your door. What's more, there's a built-in microphone and speaker, enabling two-way communication with anyone at your door. Whether you are at home or miles away, the Lockley Vision Elite keeps you connected. It provides multiple access options, including a fingerprint scanner and keypad. And yes, you can control it remotely through a smartphone app. Your home is literally at your fingertips. No need to worry about security, as it offers motion detection and alerts. Any suspicious activity gets flagged, keeping potential burglars at bay. Plus, it plays nicely with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to manage your lock with a simple voice commands. The Patent Pin Genie touchscreen adds an extra layer of security by shuffling pin number locations, making it virtually impossible for anyone to guess your code. Subscribe,